So in this tutorial, we're going to go over practical application of the len function. So here we ran help len, and this basically explains what the len function does. So what it does is it returns the number of items within a singular container. Now, I'll give some examples, but for here we have JR, scores, R equals range, and this range is just generating a range of numbers spanning from 1 to 20. And we also have this variable L that contains a bunch of random variables. Now, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to calculate the length of the first three variables. It's going to be name, and scores and R. So we can press tab into this and we can run it. Now you can see the length of name is 2, length of scores is 5, and the length of R is 10, as it's 1 to 20, counting by 2. Now, with the len function, we could use Booleans to compare lengths. So for example, we're going to take the length of name to see if it's greater than the length of scores. This is false. We could also do something like equals equals, which will also return false as they're not the same length. Lastly, we can utilize list comprehensions. Here we're going to do word for word in L if len word equals 4. Now, all this is doing is it's filtering for all words that are equal to the length of 4 and getting rid of anything that is not. Now, we could have done less than 4, as there's only one that's less than 4. It'll return us that singular variable. Now, that's some practical applications of the len function, and I hope that helps.